Welcome to my channel, and today we'll be making savory buns. We are going to need 525 grams flour, 50 grams sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 eggs, 240 milliliters fresh milk, 80 grams butter, 2 teaspoons yeast. To make the yeast mixture, mix yeast and 1 teaspoon sugar into tablespoons of warm water. Leave it for a few minutes to ferment. Put flour to the mixing bowl and add salt and sugar, yeast mixture, butter, eggs, and milk. Mix to make a dough. Cover it and leave for 2 to 3 hours to make it double in size. Cut the dough into equal-sized pieces and make balls. Make buns using any savory filling. Cover with a cling wrap and let buns rise for 30 minutes. To make the egg wash, add 1 tablespoon of fresh milk to an egg yolk and mix. Egg wash the buns and bake in a 180 degrees Celsius preheated oven. Bake for 15 to 18 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. And please check out some of our other videos on Dressytreats.